我是燕露，今天是来韩国的第4天，今天是除夕，家家户户都要过年，所以今天我们要去韩国的传统市场，让我们一起看下去哦 ，Let's go！
It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed. And now I'm taking over for the day. Cause I can be what you wanna be. And I can feel but you love me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors, I'm knocking on. I'm losing control. Show you, baby, your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go. Cause now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. Now I'm falling for love. Now Cause you and I will never fade. And I could be what you wanna be. And I can feel but you love me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors, I'm knocking on. No, I'm losing control. Be the one to live my fantasy. Show you crave your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go. Cause now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Cause now I'm falling for love. Now
影片结束，如果你喜欢我的影片的话，可以点个喜欢；想持续追踪，可以点个订阅哦。那我们明天见，拜拜。